Welcome to Priya Creations. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know which you like me to draw next.
Here I am using black color marker pen to draw this design. This is flower border design. Draw the flower outline like this. Flower outline was completed. Now I am drawing leaf shape. Draw the leaf shape like this. I am using black color marker pen for outline. If you want, you can use color pen, sketch pen, brush pen, whatever you want. Draw like this. Here I am drawing leaf shape. Draw the 4 leaves like this. Draw the round shape. Draw like this. Now I am using red color marker pen. Fill this place with red color marker pen. Fill like this. Put a dots like this. Same repeat here. Now I am using green color brush pen. Draw the line with green color brush pen. Here I am using dark green color brush pen. Draw the lines with dark green color brush pen. Same repeat here. Again repeat here. Now I am using green color brush pen. This is light green color brush pen. If you want, you can use color pen, marker pen, brush pen, whatever you want. Draw the line like this. Here I am using scale and black color marker pen for outline. Draw the small line like this. Put a dots like this. Here I am using red color pencil. I am shading with red color pencil. Now I am using black color sketch pen to draw this design. This is flower border design. Draw the flower outline like this. Same repeat here. Draw the design like this. Here I am drawing leaf shape. Same repeat here. Do you have any doubts regarding border designs or color pens? Comment on comment section. Now I am using red color marker pen. Here I am using dark green color marker pen. Brush pen. Same color repeat here. Again repeat here. Draw the outline with dark green color brush pen. If you want, you can use marker pen or sketch pen. Now I am using light green color brush pen. Fill this middle space with light green color brush pen. Draw the line with scale and black color marker pen. Draw like a frame. Draw the half circle design. Same design repeat here. Again repeat here. Draw like a frame. I am using yellow color brush pen. Fill this middle space with yellow color brush pen. Now I am using light green color brush pen. Fill this middle space with light green color brush pen.
Thank you so much for watching. Support me as like.
Draw the line like this. Same repeat here.